And let's check in with Scarlett Ficarra of our Real Investment News Desk for our market open this morning. Things are getting underway. Markets are flat. Dow's down 1, Nasdaq's up down 2, and the S&P is actually up 0.4. So outside of that, nothing much else going on this morning, Scarlett.
Yeah, let's just move on to some of the top stories happening right now in the market. We'll catch you guys up when those markets open up later on in the day. Meredith is going to pay $1.8 billion or $18.50 a share in cash and assume $1 billion of debt to acquire properties such as Time, Sports Illustrated, People, Fortune, and Entertainment Weekly. Combined, the companies posted $4.8 billion in revenue last year. Meredith does expect it will save up to $500 million in costs in the first 2 years of operation. Jeff Bezos' wealth officially crosses $100 billion. A Black Friday surge in Amazon's stock price sent the CEO's wealth above $100 billion, making it the first time anyone has crossed that mark since organizations such as Forbes and Bloomberg began tracking the fortune of the world's richest. I kind of want to contact him, Lance. I don't know. Just be like, hey, can I just have $1 million? What is it?
Can you peel off $1 billion? You won't even miss it.
You just always think about that when you hear it. Anyways, Business Insider reports drug maker AstraZeneca plans to boost its already substantial Chinese business through a new drug development joint venture with a state-backed private equity fund. The standalone business, Dizal Pharmaceutical, will be owned equally with the Chinese Future Industry Investment Fund. AstraZeneca's goal is to get new drugs to the market more quickly. And what to expect this week? The Senate tax bill is headed for a debate this week with the aim to hold a floor vote as early as Thursday. Should it pass, Republican leaders will have to work on a compromise between different provisions in the House and Senate bills. One potentially significant complication, though, is that senators haven't received an official estimate about the larger effects the package of tax cuts for businesses and individuals would have on the U.S. economy. This complicates arguments by those supporting the legislation, who says it is a package of tax cuts that would pay for itself over time by generating economic growth. So again, we're going to keep you updated on that later. Oh my God.
Yeah, well, we've done plenty of stories about that topic already. So,
right.
Yeah. But no, Walmart is slashing, talking about Jeff Bezos, $100 billion. Think about that for a moment. Jeff Bezos could peel off $1 billion and give it to you, and he wouldn't even miss it.
I know.
That's pretty amazing. $100 billion. But remember,
maybe I can write him a really emotional letter.
Hey, you know what? Weirder things have happened. But, it's interesting. Most of that wealth is tied to the stock price.
Right.
So, interesting. Walmart is slashing their online prices to match Amazon, for this this post-Thanksgiving shopping day, and of course Cyber Monday, and of course going into the Christmas holidays. It's interesting. Everybody's talking about we're getting record sales, which is great because we also have a bigger population. So we talked about that before.
Sure.
So you really have to look at sales in terms of per capita on the population, but you also have to look at the discounts. We may be selling more, but are we selling more stuff at a higher price, or are we selling more stuff at lower prices? So
that's a good point.
Those things we'll find out over the next few days. But Walmart is, going head to head with Amazon. I think that's going to be the battle to watch, is who wins between Walmart and Amazon.
Absolutely. Yeah, it's been fun to watch so far.
Absolutely. Thanks, Scarlett.
Yeah.
Appreciate it.